What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and check this watch. It's from Fire-Boltt. So before start the video, let me tell you that if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, hit the like button. And also I have two more channels. One is for study channel and another one is a vlog channel. So I'll give the link in the description below, so to go there and check them out. If you like those channels, then subscribe there too. So now let's get back to the video. So this is the smartwatch from Fire-Boltt. You can see, and that's the model Phoenix Pro smartwatch, and it has 1.39 inch touch display, made in India. You can see. So here you can see metal case body, SpO2 monitoring. You can check your oxygen level, heart rate tracking, 123 sports modes. These are the features, and that's the MRP 11,999, but you'll get it online at much lesser price. So it's completely sealed pack, you can see. So let's open this thing and check the product out. Well, that's the watch itself. It's totally black in color. That's the back side. And what else you get? Just a charging cable and the warranty card. You need to register for warranty and you get free Book My Show voucher. I'm gonna check that later. That's the user manual. Remove this. Very shiny. Now turn this thing on. It's powering up. No message. And here that's battery percentage, and here the settings and all. That's the battery. It's low power mode. Now the settings: alarm, timer, menu view, brightness, theater mode is there too. That's the nice thing. And that's a app download QR code. That's a QR code. You scan it and download the app from the Play Store. So that's it, and that's the magnetic charging cable, just like that. So now let's see how it looks on my hand. So that's how it looks on my hand. It's a bit smaller than the previous one. The previous one was much bigger and gray color. That was like awesome. But this thing is okay too. Let's see the features here. AI voice is also there. You can control the mobile camera shutter from this watch as a player, and that's what to say, breathe start, inhale, exhale. It's like it's calculating the oxygen or something like that. So I'm gonna check all the features later, but for now that's it. That's a very nice watch from Fire-Boltt. If you want to get the details of this thing, then comments me below. In the next video I'll try to explore the watch in details and all the features, and I'll show you that. So till then, bye bye.